Before this whole coronavirus, I've always been not fond of these hand sanitizers. Why? Because a lot of them on the market is full of chemicals. Your skin is the largest organ in your whole entire body. So what happens is that when you have these chemicals in these hand sanitizer and you put it in your hand, it gets absorbed. What does it do? It is actually a hormonal, also an endocrine disruptors. What it does is that it binds with the receptor cells of your hormones and it competes with those receptor cells. And of course, some of the agents become what I call cancer causing. I want to show you how you can actually make your own hand sanitizer by using just 3 ingredients, just 3. Hi, I'm Dr. Cathleen Gerenger, and I just want to show you how simple it is to make your own hand sanitizer. So let's walk right into my pantry. While we're in here, I'll show you my pantry. Right there. I love these Dulce flakes. I do a lot of hemp, goji berries, organic sea salt seaweed, and here we go. You can actually do this with your kids. I mean, it's so simple. It's probably only 1 minute. That's all it takes to make your own natural hand sanitizer. Why am I fascinated by this, and why am I even here doing this? It's because I have a lot of people ask me, and I've been doing it way before the coronavirus even came out. Because a lot of these hand sanitizer out there on the market, some of them are cancer causing, some of them weaken your immune system, and then some of them actually irritate your respiratory tract. So it's really, really important for you to understand the ingredients in it. There's one ingredient that you must totally make sure you do not have in your hand sanitizer. It is called triclosan. Actually, FDA finally went in there and banned that because they find that 75% of that chemical is detected in your urine and also in breast milk. And here we are putting these chemical hand sanitizer on ourselves and on our little ones. So what's gonna happen in long term? Some of these hand sanitizer has formaldehyde, cancer-causing agent. Some of these hand sanitizer have what we called chemicals that actually gets released inside your body, and it becomes very toxic. So I want you to tune in, and I want to show you how you can make your own hand sanitizer where it's chemical free. You're able to use it around your house, you're able to use it around your loved ones, and all you need is 3 simple ingredients. Here they are. All right, of course, first what I'm going to do is I'm gonna sanitize my hand. There we go. And today I'm just gonna show you how to do it really simple. I can actually turn this into a little bit of a gel natural hand sanitizer as well. But anyway, so how do you know when you're all done? When your hand is nice and dry and really soft. First ingredient is what we use, 2/3 cup of what I call witch hazel. So what I want to do is measure out 2/3 of a cup of witch hazel. So that's ingredient number 1. However, if you're in a clinic setting, I'm Dr. Cathleen Gerenger, if you're in a clinic setting, according to the CDC, you should use at least 60% alcohol. But of course, I use McKesson's 70% alcohol. So I'm gonna show you 2 different ways to make your own natural hand sanitizer. One with 70% alcohol, or one with witch hazel. So that's our first ingredient. Second ingredient, aloe. A lot of times these hand sanitizer, it can irritate your skin and it can dry out your skin. So you want to re-nourish your skin and moisturize your skin by putting aloe in it. And the third is really, really simple. Probably 20 drops of these essential oil. Of course, my sister sells New Skin or whatever it is, so I kind of like felt bad for her, so I bought some essential oil from her, and this is lavender. And then somebody came in and sold me a doTERRA tea tree essential oil. I don't care what it is, 20 drops of essential oil. Here we go, really simple. Witch hazel. You only need 2/3 of a cup. So let's pour it in here. Voila. There we go, 2/3 of a cup. And then my little spoon here. I'm going to measure out, what is it, 2 tablespoons. This is a tablespoon, not a teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of aloe. You can get aloe anywhere. And witch hazel, you can get it at Walgreens. It's like $3.50 for a whole bottle like this. And then aloe, you can get at a health food store, or you can get it anywhere. So you just measure out like 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Just guesstimate that. And then just 20 drops of the essential oil. I just randomly choose this one. I usually don't measure whenever I cook. So that was kind of like an estimation of 20 drops. And then you mix it, and that's it. That is your natural hand sanitizer. And guess what? I'm gonna put it in a little bottle. Voila. 3 ingredients. Number 1, witch hazel, 2/3 of a cup. Number 2, aloe. You just need about 2 tablespoons. And number 3, probably 20 drops of whatever essential oil that you want to use. And that's it. And there's your natural hand sanitizer with all natural ingredients. I also make one with the alcohol. Why? Because at the clinic, according to CDC, we actually need to use at least 60%. But this is my McKesson bottle of alcohol, that is 70%. Why do I not like to use the straight alcohol? Because it actually really dries up your skin. So what I want to do is I want to teach you how to make your own natural hand sanitizer, because a lot of these over-the-counter hand sanitizer are just full of chemicals. And these chemicals weaken your immune system. And here we are talking about this coronavirus. We want to boost our immune system and not to decrease or suppress our immune system. Actually, a couple of these chemicals are being banned too by the FDA. Finally, they took one of the chemical that you can find in your shampoo, in your hand sanitizer, in your toothpaste. I mean, that's crazy. And they finally banned it. And it's sad because here we have our little young ones are putting these hand sanitizer on their little hands. Your skin is the largest organ in your whole entire body. So what happens with these chemicals is that they compete with the receptor cells of your hormones. It can actually displace your hormonal system. Actually, research also shows that it actually can cause infertility, decreased sperm count, and it can cause obesity, weight gain, and even what we call cancer. So if we can lessen the chemicals that we put in our body, it actually helps to boost our immune system. This is what it's all about. Keep your microbiome nice and balanced, because these chemicals can actually leach into your body. Some of these chemicals have formaldehyde in it. So I put the one that I made with the witch hazel in here. I usually use this at home because I don't have a lot of people in my house, but I use this at home. And then I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make one with the alcohol. And again, according to CDC, you're able to use about 60% alcohol, which is in kind of like a standard clinical setting, but I have a 70% alcohol content, which is a little bit stronger because I use that at the clinic. This is with the alcohol. So I just pour 2/3 of a cup. That's it. And again, you can do this with the kids. I mean, they're gonna have so much fun. It's like chemistry class at home. And then this is aloe. Aloe actually helps to moisturize your skin and replenish your skin because the alcohol can irritate and dry up your skin. Oops. So you just kind of guesstimate it. 1, 2 tablespoons. My mom is actually a stay-at-home mom, and I'm very fortunate enough where I was always in the kitchen with her, and she never ever measures. She just guesstimates, and that's how I learned how to cook too. But anyway, so what I do is I put only 2/3 of a cup of the alcohol. I only put 2 tablespoons of the aloe, and then I'm gonna use this essential oil. I think this one's lavender. Whatever essential oil you can find. So you do 20 drops, okay? Perfect. And it smells absolutely amazing. This is lavender. And again, this is the one that I use with the alcohol. And of course, I'm a little bit of a type A, so I label everything. If you have any questions, please make a comment below. There we go. And then whatever extra I have, I just put in another spritzer bottle. And this is from the witch hazel. Again, that's all you have to do. Very, very simple. Just rub it around your hands and just wait until it dries, and that's it. 3 simple ingredients. Please share this video to a friend or a loved one, or even some kids. They're gonna have so much fun putting this little 3 ingredients together, and they can make their own hand sanitizer because it's not drying your hands. We're not using chemicals that we can't even pronounce. So please be aware that anything you put in your body or on your skin, everything gets absorbed through your skin. So be really careful with that, because at this time, what we need to do is boost our immune system as much as possible. And also, I don't want you to panic because there's no hand sanitizer out there. I mean, this is only like $3.50 at Walgreens. So you can run out and get your little witch hazel, and then alcohol, you can run to Walgreens and grab one if they still have some, and the essential oils. That's all you need. Make it simple. Thank you so much for tuning in. And again, I'm signing off. I am Dr. Cathleen Gerenger, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.